Hi, we are going to show you how to get more health points even without going for a walk. This has been a question that several of our viewers has been asking. So we're going to show you how to do that. This is done through taking the quiz in the Health Hub. If you need to download the Health Hub apps, please go to the Play Store. For now, once you have downloaded and installed the apps, you may need to log in with your Singpass. And then for your health points, you will need to log in using your NRIC number as well as the mobile number that you sign up for the Health Promotion Board Challenge. So let's start up Health Hub and see how to get more points. So this is the home screen of Health Hub. I have already registered and logged in through the Singpass and also link my health points to the HPB apps. So to get more health points, tap on Quiz Time. So I have done some quiz. So let's try the tobacco substitutes quiz. Let's tap on that. Tap on question 1. So this is a write-up on a question. Are low-yield cigarettes safer than regular cigarettes? So do read through. And at the end, there is a question. So the question is, low-yield cigarettes reduce the risk of smoking-induced diseases. And if you have read through, you know that the answer is no. So let's tap on that. So congratulations, you have just earned yourself 20 health points. You can continue. So continue through the 5 questions, and on the top left hand corner you can see that your health will actually drop by 1 every time you answer a question. But on the right hand side, top right hand side, you see that you'll refill in about 28 minutes and 56 seconds. Okay, so continue doing that. What I'm going to show you right now is my dashboard. Let's go to the Healthy 365 apps. From the apps, you scroll down and look at your My Health Points. So you can see currently it is 280 points. Let's go back to our quiz. And I'll attempt question 2. So again, this is a write-up on the myth of cigar. Look through it, and then at the end, you can answer that quiz question. So the quiz question is, cigars are safer for consumption compared to regular cigarettes. Answer is no. So now take note, we have earned another 20 health points. So let's continue. And let's go back to check on our dashboard. Tap on My Health Points. You will see that the available health points is 300 points because we have just obtained another 20 health points from our quiz. So go on and attempt all the quiz in the Health Hub, and you will be able to get more health points even without breaking a sweat. So do check it out, and thanks for watching.